WalletHub is a personal finance website that provides free credit scores, reports, and financial product comparisons. Here's how to use WalletHub effectively. Sign up. Visit WalletHub's website and create an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Complete your profile by entering your personal information, which is used to pull your credit report. Access your credit score. Once signed in, WalletHub provides you with a free credit score and full credit report. Review your credit score and report to understand your current credit standing. WalletHub updates your score daily. Credit monitoring. WalletHub offers continuous credit monitoring. Enable alerts to get notifications about significant changes in your credit report, such as new accounts or hard inquiries. Financial recommendations. Based on your credit profile, WalletHub suggests financial products such as credit cards, loans, and insurance plans. Use the comparison tools to evaluate these products based on your needs and creditworthiness. Financial education. Explore WalletHub's educational resources, including articles, guides, and financial calculators to improve your financial knowledge and make informed decisions. Community advice. Participate in the WalletHub community to ask questions and get advice from financial experts and other users. Track spending. Link your financial accounts to WalletHub to track your spending, view account balances, and monitor financial transactions.